Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo están? Espero que estén bien. Hoy estamos en Infinity Fly, nuestro primer vuelo con crew, con las voces de las azafatas. Vamos ya encendiendo. Ok. Ahí estamos encendiendo todas las pantallas, glass cockpit, eléctrica, pasajeros. Ok. Hermoso avión Boeing 737-700, aerolínea Southwest Airlines, aerolínea de bajo costo. Battery on. Ok, todo listo. Vamos a encender el motor 1. Primero voy a echar.
Flight attendants arm doors for departure.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the captain and crew, welcome aboard this flight. We hope you enjoy flying with us. Before takeoff, we would like to encourage all passengers to watch our cabin crew display the safety features of the aircraft.
Welcome aboard, and thanks for flying with us. We're committed to making your flight safe and comfortable. So before we depart, we're just going to brief safety presentation. This information can help you in an emergency, so it's important to pay close attention, even if you are a frequent flyer.
All carry-on items should now be stored securely, either in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. And all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas should be clear. Your mobile phones and other electronic devices should be turned off. Once airborne, we'll let you know when you can use approved electronic devices. But note that some items, such as phones, may not be used in flight at any time.
Esa es una
You'll find a
aplicación que
list
se
of
llama
approved
Infinity
electronic
Passengers.
devices in the in-flight information section of Sky Magazine. If you're seated at an emergency exit, please review the responsibilities for emergency exit seating on the back of the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket. Are you okay sitting by the emergency exit? If you're unable or prefer not to perform this function, just let us know, and we'd be happy to find you another seat. As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle or press the latch to release. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. And even if the sign is off, you should keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. For everyone's safety, federal regulations require all passengers to comply with the posted placards and lighted signs located throughout the cabin, as well as any crew member instructions. You cannot smoke inside. Smoking is not allowed on any flight, and federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a restroom smoke detector. There are 6 exits on this plane, 4 doors, 2 on each side, and 2 window exits over the wing. Each door has a detachable slide that can be used for flotation. Life rafts are located in ceiling compartments at the front and center of the plane. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, if there is a loss of power and cabin visibility is reduced, white emergency lights near the floor will lead you to red lights which indicate an exit. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you. And remember, they might be behind you. It's unlikely that if cabin pressure changes, the panels above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask toward you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic strap over your head, and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
Y bien, ya estamos a punto de despegar, así que voy a parar la cámara rápida para estar listos.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff.
Se escucha increíble. Ok, bien, empezamos a movernos. Vamos a alinearnos con la pista. Voy a decir otra cosa. Vamos a alinearnos con la pista. Aquí vamos a alinearnos. Vamos a ver. No sé, pero seguro que tengo que comprar el Infinity Passengers de suscripción. Porque a mí me marca en otro vuelo que era un poquito más largo, me marcaba el B1 o el B1, pero no me marcaba el rotate, no me decía el rotate, pero sí me dice casi de break y get up, algo así, y prepare for landing, con el vuelo largo. Como este vuelo corto no creo que se escuche. Bien, estamos probando los alerones, los spoilers, el empenaje y el rudder. Está todo bien. Y nos vamos.
knots. Positive rate, gear up.
O se escucha elegante cuando dice así. Sí, antes era más aburrido porque como no sabía de esto, de esta aplicación, pero ahora sí. Y bien, ahora pasamos a la cámara rápida. En 3, 2, 1 y ahora.
Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it.
flash of light, don't need no warning. This feeling's right, vibrations chill through my bones, sensations flow through your glow. So incredible, the way I feel with you, so phenomenal. And you always push me through, unforgettable. The way I feel with you, unbelievable. And you always push me through, electrified. Electrified with you, electrified. Electrified with you. Fly, my heart's convulsing. This feeling's right, vibrations chill through my bones, sensations flow through your glow. So incredible, the way I feel with you, so phenomenal. And you always push me through, unforgettable. The way I feel with you, unbelievable. And you always push me through, electrified. Electrified with you, electrified. Electrified. Electrified with you, electrified. Electrified with you.
Wow, me ha gustado esa cámara que han agregado. Esa le llaman la cámara drone, que si el avión está bien completo, con asiento y todo y ventanilla, uno puede poner la cámara en el lugar donde uno quiera del avión. Es lo que me gustó. Hay uno que está en la cabina también y me ha gustado también. Bien, quitamos la cámara rápida porque nos vamos a preparar para aterrizar. Es algo que creo que nos van a decir porque el vuelo es corto. Y bueno, pues vamos a prepararnos para aterrizar en el KFCO de San Francisco. Ok, aquí vamos todavía con el piloto automático activado. Y bueno, dejaré de hablar un poquito. Y bien, aquí ya están las guías, aún no las he quitado, no sé cómo se quitan. Sé la configuración, pero no sé en qué lado estén para quitarlas, para que se vea un poco más realista. Ok, aquí vamos. Yo quiero quitarla, pero no sé en dónde están. Sé que hay que entrar a configuración, pero no sé en qué lado están. Porque las de Aerofly FS 2020 sí, esa yo las quité. Venía con esa guía y yo las quité. Y bien, aquí ya estamos al frente de esta pista, no sé qué número es. Aquí vamos a aterrizar. Espero aterrizar bien. Aquí vamos.
100, 50, 40, 30.
Ahí están las luces, papi.
10.
Ok. Quitamos potencia y aterrizamos.
For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you.
Y bien, pasemos a la cámara rápida para llegar rápido al gate o a la puerta.
You always push me through, unforgettable. The way I feel with you, unbelievable. You always push me through, electrified. Electrified with you, electrified. Electrified. Electrified with you, electrified. Electrified with you.
Y bueno, suscríbanse si les ha gustado este video, activen la campanita para que YouTube les avise cuando suba cada video nuevo. Y así que nos vemos en un próximo video. Hasta luego.